Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The sage Maitreya said, when such cursing and counter-cursing was going on between Lord Shiva's followers and the parties of Daksha and Phrigu, Lord Shiva became very morose. Not saying anything, he left the arena of the sacrifice, followed by his disciples. Here Lord Shiva's excellent character is described. In spite of the cursing and counter-cursing between the parties of Daksha and Shiva, because he is the greatest Vaishnav, he was so sober that he did not say anything. A Vaishnav is always tolerant, and Lord Shiva is considered the topmost Vaishnav, so his character, as shown in this scene, is excellent. He became morose because he knew that these people, both his men and Dakshas, were unnecessarily cursing and counter-cursing one another, without any interest in spiritual life. From his point of view, he did not see anyone as lower or higher because he is a Vaishnav. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, Pandita Samadarshina, one who is perfectly learned does not see anyone as lesser or greater, because he sees everyone from the spiritual platform. Thus, the only alternative left to Lord Shiva was to leave in order to stop his follower, Nandishva, as well as Phrigu Muni, from cursing and counter-cursing in that way.